Beneath the golden sun, American farm workers meticulously harvest the season's bountiful pumpkins. Skilled hands meticulously inspect each pumpkin, ensuring only the finest quality. Skilled American farm workers meticulously gather each pumpkin, ensuring its pristine journey. Thousands of perfectly harvested pumpkins begin their journey to the factory. Harvested with care, pumpkins arrive at the factory, beginning their journey to become Halloween's centerpiece. Skilled American workers ensure every pumpkin is perfectly positioned for its journey through the production line. Each, a large, bright orange pumpkin with distinctive vertical ribs and a firm, smooth skin. It features precision washing begins, ensuring every pumpkin meets our high standards. Powerful jets meticulously remove all traces of field soil. Every surface is expertly cleaned, preparing them for the next stage. Emerging pristine, our pumpkins are now perfectly clean and ready. Skilled hands meticulously examine each pumpkin for quality and size. Each pumpkin is sorted by exact size and perfect roundness. Different channels guide pumpkins to their next stage, ensuring seamless flow. Only pumpkins meeting strict quality standards move forward. Precision and dedication define this crucial manual sorting stage. Precision engineering ensures each pumpkin receives a perfect hexagonal cut, an essential step in its journey. With incredible accuracy, the robotic arm carves a flawless hexagonal lid. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Each lid is carefully handled, ready to be returned with perfect alignment. This automated station handles each pumpkin with remarkable speed and consistent quality. Precision tools make quick work of lid removal, preparing each pumpkin for the next stage. Expert workers guide these tools, swiftly removing all pulp and seeds. The hollowed pumpkins are then moved efficiently to the next processing station. Every pumpkin receives individual attention, guaranteeing optimal quality. From raw pumpkin to ready to carve, the transformation is precise and swift. This meticulous hollowing process prepares perfect pumpkins for festive carving. Advanced machinery and skilled hands combine for unparalleled pumpkin preparation. From diligent cleaning to inspection, every step upholds the highest standards.
Next one coming through. Got it. Keep them moving.
Each clean pumpkin is then carefully prepared for packaging, maintaining its pristine condition. Precision lasers begin the intricate art of pumpkin carving, guiding every detail. Each pumpkin receives a unique, perfectly symmetrical guide for the skilled carvers. The laser system precisely defines every curve and angle, readying pumpkins for carving. American craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology, ensuring flawless preparation. Next, these perfectly etched pumpkins move to the skilled carvers, ensuring unique creations. Skilled hands begin the intricate carving, guided by precision lasers. Each cut contributes to the unique character of the carved pumpkin. Every specialist applies their unique expertise to perfect each pumpkin. The carving line demonstrates unparalleled precision and dedication. Laser guides ensure accuracy, but human artistry brings each design to life. From raw pumpkin to art, the transformation unfolds with every precise cut. The meticulous artistry of American specialists ensures exceptional quality. Every carved pumpkin is a testament to the dedication of skilled hands. The carving line, a symphony of precision and focused craft. The intricate details bring each carved pumpkin to life. Through concentrated effort, a plain pumpkin is transformed into a work of art. The detailed craftsmanship elevates each pumpkin beyond simple decoration. Each finished pumpkin carries the hallmark of meticulous, skilled craftsmanship. The automated misting system precisely coats each carved pumpkin, ensuring lasting freshness. Every cut surface, from intricate features to the interior, receives a vital preservative layer. Protected and perfected, these carved pumpkins are now ready for display and enjoyment. Precision and care define every step, ensuring each pumpkin is perfectly protected for its journey. Every touch is deliberate, showcasing the expertise and dedication of our American craftsmen. Each pumpkin undergoes rigorous inspection, guaranteeing premium quality before it leaves the facility. The final touch, protective lids are added, sealing freshness and securing each pumpkin for shipment. Ready for their destination, these perfectly packaged pumpkins represent peak American craftsmanship. Precision robotics guide protective shells onto each unique pumpkin. Advanced sealing technology ensures the pumpkin's safe journey. The securely encased pumpkin advances to its next destination. Robotic precision transforms flat cardboard into sturdy packaging. protected pumpkin approaches its final packaging. Each pumpkin finds its perfect, snug fit for secure transit. The final seal confirms readiness for global distribution. A steady stream of packaged pumpkins, ready for homes worldwide. Automated systems build robust, stable pallets for secure transit. Efficiency and accuracy define our advanced production process. Each pallet represents countless Halloween pumpkins, meticulously prepared for their journey. From field to festive front door, quality and care are in every step. Skilled American operators meticulously transport our pumpkins, ensuring every step is handled with precision. Our climate-controlled docks preserve freshness, ensuring pumpkins arrive perfectly. Each pallet, precisely placed, is now ready for its journey to markets nationwide.
Easy, easy. Right there.
The harvest is ready, expertly loaded for its journey to markets far and wide. Skilled American workers ensure every pumpkin is handled with utmost care and precision. The journey concludes its initial phase, a testament to coordinated effort and logistical precision. Efficiency meets quality as each truck prepares for departure, ensuring fresh delivery.